that's where the grounding comes from.
Yeah.
We get grounded in our knowledge of physics and chemistry here on Earth.
Yeah. And then what, just thinking about what all of those questions, what that looks like as far as how you collaborate with scientists and like, what does that look like for you? Like, are you, calling up a chemist saying, can we try it at this temperature? Or like what does that
I
communication
have
actually look
colleagues that absolutely do that.
like? Cool.
And I have at time cold called people. I remember early in my career, I was interested in the interaction of X-rays and how they hit those tiny little grains that deposits energy. And is that going to throw some ices off? They'll basically sublimate into the gas. So,
Okay.
energy will break the bond. And so I
Yeah.
called him up. I was a Harvard professor, and I was like, about 4.6 billion years ago, there were abundant X rays from the young sun, and they were hitting tiny little solids. And I know you study how X rays interact with matter. And he says, my student actually is doing something directly relates to that. And so that student then helped co-write a paper about
Oh,
how
that's so
X-rays
cool.
interact with solids. And so, yes, you do these weird phone calls, and sometimes
Yeah.
they're not real because they're to your colleagues who know the science. But
Yeah.
sometimes they're like, "This is crazy.
Yeah.
You're gonna think I'm crazy, but actually, this is kind of neat."